So they will never use their religious commitment to benefit from a worldly perspective. Abdullah ibn Muhayriz, have you heard of him? Ibn Muhayriz, one of the scholars of Islam, a tabi'i, a scholar of hadith. Ibn Muhayriz once came into a shop. Subhanallah, this incident resonates, man. Ibn Muhayriz entered into a shop. They recognized the scholar. So he heard them speak behind the counter saying, this is Ibn Muhayriz, sort him out a good deal. This is Ibn Muhayriz, sort him out a good deal. Ibn Muhayriz overheard that conversation. He said, Ya akhi, إنما جئت لأشتري بمالي لا بديني. My brother, I've come here to buy something using my money, not my religion. I've come today to use my money to buy, not my religion. Then he walked out of the shop and he refused to buy anything. SubhanAllah. So it's very different, isn't it, from that speaker who stipulates a massive honorarium to give a lecture. And it has to be a business class flight, and maybe a masseuse, somebody to do his back for him on the way as well on the plane if possible. A certain type of decor and a certain type of drink and coffee and tea that have to be provided for him. And if you're also able to cater for my wife and children so that we can make a holiday out of it as well, if the Muslims don't mind paying for that as well, that would be good. No, the Muslim who is sincere never seeks to profit in any way at the expense of the Muslims. You want to do that from your own pocket? Go ahead. But a person who is sincere does not purchase any aspect of deen or any aspect of dunya using his deen.